that everybody will be seeing soon. So I hope we did a good job.
I think so.
Right?
You did a good job.
You did a great job. Yeah, no, you did
We
wonderful. So now we're just kind of wandering.
Stalking
Yeah,
Qkids.
we're wandering.
The
So
other
it's
side of the screen.
It's Sunday, so there's like nobody here besides a few CCT. We did see somebody doing their second demo interview.
Yes.
So it
Good
was
luck,
it was a guy.
whoever you are.
So if you were doing your interview, it was about 10 p.m. Eastern time on
And you were a man.
Saturday night.
Yes.
So if you were doing that and you were a guy, we might have seen you. You did great. We were kind of
good.
kicking in. Good job.
You look happy.
So now we're just wandering. This office is surprisingly big. I
huge.
love if you can see there's like all of these plants on the
Yeah.
walls. I love how
It's
many
very
colors there are. It looks like they had a camp out down the hall. And this is what I
slumber
really,
party.
yeah, Qkids slumber party. This is what I really want to show. This is their break room. They have a huge area for their break room. And check this out. I'm gonna try to get this on my camera. I think it'll work. On the ceiling, check it out. On the ceiling, oh, it's kind of too big. It actually spells out Qkids on the ceiling. How cool is that? They have an awesome view.
And they love table tennis.
Yeah, yeah. They have an awesome view of the city outside. And then behind me there's a bunch of workout equipment. I could totally work here. There's a bunch of workout equipment. There's ping pong or table tennis. There's 2 foosball. Is that foos, right? Isn't it called foosball?
I think so.
Soccer? The little like table soccer games. I'm
This is
horrible
my
at those.
favorite.
A little punching bag, so when you get really stressed. Oh, I can't even get the bike anymore. And there's, you can see the bike is back behind that punching bag. So that's a tour. No, get in! No!